Leyaron Faucet Extender Sink Handle Extender, 3-pack, by Leyaron is one of the best sellers among baby bathroom safety products. The manufacturer's sink handle extender made from long-lasting soft, durable plastic, non-toxic materials, BPA, PVC and phthalate-free. Won't crack, fade or warp from enthusiastic usage. The package come in different cute colors. And this fun colorful shape makes your child love hand washing. The faucet extender is easy to remove for cleaning and dishwasher safe. Designed to fit on most conventional bathroom faucets, compatible with most faucets of all shapes and sizes. The perfect size is very convenient to carry, so take it with you. The faucet extender bring water closer to kids to make hand washing easier, and with Kid Faucet Extender, now the water stream from the faucet is reachable to toddlers without having to stand up on a stool, which is dangerous. Rounded corner and zero sharp edges, completely safe for little fingers. Protects your youngster from the sharp edges commonly found underneath most faucets. With the faucet extender you can build your toddler's independence, competence, confidence and responsibility. And the unique lovely design makes hand washing time fun for your kids. Lifelong commitment. The manufacturer are so confident with the quality of the manufacturer's product. But if you don't completely satisfied with this product for any reason, you can contact them for full refund after any time. And the manufacturer will provide you with best customer service. Absolutely no risk.